hat. I can't believe I have a Target US box. I'm gonna cherish that forever. I'm watching you, don't worry. Hello?
Pray for me, for me. Pray I find my way.
Hey fam, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is MsTopacJay. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing my Target haul and Amazon haul and Sephora haul with you babes. It's not a lot, okay? I actually find this a little bit spooky. I didn't really planned on doing this video. I mean, I thought about it, but I wasn't sure if I should do it. Yes, I was still thinking about it. And I sat down and I was watching TV and a comment popped up and it was from you, Aaliyah, A-L-E-A-H, Aaliyah. Am I saying that right? I think I am. Leah. Anyway, so you commented and you asked that I do a Target makeup haul or that I should do a video shopping for my makeup blindfolded and all that. And I'm like, okay, first of all, I've been thinking about both ideas and it's like you're in my head. Okay, so I just thought, okay, Esther, sit down and just do this haul. No matter how small it is, still share it so that way I can sit down and do the video that I want to do. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing what I bought from Target, Amazon, and Sephora, and also my postage delivery drama, keep watching this video. And if you yet to subscribe, just fix that problem right now. Click the red button down below, turn it to gray. It means you're subscribed. Turn notifications so that way you don't miss out any video from me. And like this video if you like it. Please comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see from me next. And follow me on Instagram. My name is Esther. Nope, my name is MsTopacJay on Instagram there. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. I think we should start with the things I bought from Amazon. I don't know what to pick first. Oh, let's pick this first since I've already put this on my eye today. This is the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. It's not on the Target website. I couldn't find it there, and I haven't checked Ulta. It was sold out at the time because I went to buy it on Ulta and ship it to my friend as well. So I ended up finding it on Amazon, which is fantastic. But yeah, so it arrived broken. This shade in particular, so I had to just press it in. I'm not a big fan of this, but it's popping a little bit, I guess. And I have always wanted to try this out because everyone and the mama has been talking about it. Did I just say mama? Everyone and the mama have been talking about this all over YouTube, and Pakistan raves about this as well, and I've always wanted to try it, but I couldn't find it here in Australia. And when I eventually found it, it was a little bit more expensive than it should be, like $5 to $10 extra, I believe. Yeah, and I was like, nah, anybody got time for that? So I finally found it on Amazon. I picked it up. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the Airspun Loose Face Powder. First of all, I didn't know it was going to be this huge. It is big. Here is the Airspun powder, yeah? And here is a regular powder. When I say that, I mean like the Laura Mercier powder. Do you see how big that is? Like there's still space on it. That's how big it is. The Laura Mercier is 1 ounce or 29 grams. And this one is 65 grams, 2.3 ounce. Wow. So I can't wait to use this. I haven't even opened it. Oh, before I actually continue about my Amazon order, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys already know the story. Like literally, I bought all these things from Amazon, which I'm going to share with you in a moment. And it arrived. I was tracking it or whatever. It arrived, and then by the time I got down there, it was the second day. So I went downstairs the second day to go and check my mailbox, and I saw a box, not this box, but I'm gonna show you a photo of the box now. I saw it sitting on top of the mailbox, which happens sometimes because our mailbox is not as big, you know, it's not big enough to fit a box of this size, you know what I mean? And it was sitting there, and I was like, oh, is that mine? And as I was going closer to it, I saw that it was ripped open, you know, on the top. So someone had ripped it open and took everything out of the box. Literally everything. I was devastated. I was devastated, and I was pissed off. To the point I emailed the company that was supposed to be in charge of, you know, delivering the items to me here in Australia. And I went on a Google page, and then I found that I can actually just contact Amazon. So I didn't want to email them, so I just ended up giving them a call. And the lady was so sweet. She reorganized another one to be shipped to me, and she refunded the money for the ones that they could not ship to me, so I can buy another one if I decide to. I was like, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Because I don't know what I would have done. I spent like $50-something on that, and then you steal it from me. And my apartment building is a very secure place. Like, you need an intercom to get in. So I'm guessing the person who stole it lives in this building. I'm watching you, don't worry. Hello? I'm watching you. God saw you. God saw you. Okay? Anyway, so that's it. Whoa. I've only shared one item and it's already 10 minutes. Okay. That's my story, my drama. All right. So the next item is an eyeshadow palette, which a lot of people have been talking about as well. And I believe this is also sold on the Shop Hush website. If you ever guys want me to buy stuff on the Shop Hush website, the thing is they don't ship to Australia. Like the palettes I want to buy, they say it's app exclusive, and I don't want to go through the process of sending it to my friend again because that costs me more money. So by the time I buy the products I want to buy on the Shop Hush website or app or whatever, I would have spent like ×3 of the amount that, you know, the actual product cost, you know, including postage and all that. I'm like, nah, ain't nobody got time. So this counts. Okay. And I actually bought this because I was planning to do, I am going to do it, Amazon Pick My Makeup video. I saw Sylvia Gainey do this, and I was like, yes, I'm definitely going to do that. I wanted to do the Google one as well, but we're going to see. So that's why I bought this eyeshadow palette, and I haven't even opened it yet. Should I open it now or be surprised in the video? Let me open it now. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms. Kind of reminds me of Huda, but that's pretty. Do you see this? Oh, ooh. Oh, okay. Seeing it through the monitor didn't help. Do you see that glitter? This one right here, this orange glitter. It feels chunky when you touch it, but damn. It feels quite hot. Like I swatched it, but it's still stuck to my finger. Oh no, it's stuck. I am gonna put this aside until we film the Amazon Pick My Makeup video. Are you excited to see that? I am. I just don't know when to film it. Okay. So another Amazon buy is another palette by Beauty Glazed. And this one I saw and I was like, that looks like a palette that I know. Okay. This is the Beauty Glazed Impressed You palette. And I believe this is also sold on the Shop Hush website. Let's open it. This is cute. It's all glittery and everything. This is really nicely done. Now let's open it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
A chunk of shadow just dropped. Okay, so something is broken in there. Just my luck, hey. But anyway, that's what the palette looks like. All right, next we have a lipstick, which I bought because Amazon chose it for me and I didn't have it, so I had to pick it up. And this is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. Okay, so I can't open it. I guess you're just gonna have to wait and see what it looks like in the Amazon Picks My Makeup video, okay? Another Amazon order is the CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze. If you've been watching my video for the past few weeks, you know that every time I pick up my bronzer, I say, oh, it's almost finished. So I finally picked up another one. This was one of the things that they stole when it arrived, you know, when it was delivered. And then when they reorganized it again and sent it to me, and then it got here, it arrived broken. I'm like, just my luck. And I just couldn't be bothered, you know, putting in a claim again. I literally cannot be bothered. So yeah, here we go. CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer. I fixed it with rubbing alcohol. It's fine. It's okay. Let's do Sephora. All right, I bought like 3 things from Sephora. Okay, let's not go crazy. Sephora is not that cheap to be buying a bunch of stuff from the website, you know. This is the Boscia. Don't come for me, okay? I don't know how to pronounce shite, okay? Boscia Charcoal Jelly Ball Cleanser. This is what it looks like. So I think they say you pierce it and then put water. I have no idea. I've been looking at it and I haven't been able to use it because I'm scared. I don't want to waste my money. But it's a cleanser, you know, to clean your face basically. Yeah, would you like to know how I go with this? Let me know. Next we have the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette. Oh my gosh. When this came out, I was like, oh, I really want to get that. And I actually added the entire collection to my cart, and I was like, girl, baby doll, that's expensive. Put it back. So I went into the store. I went into Sephora, and I saw it, and I'm like, it's that small. I was so surprised. I was so surprised at the size. I was like, that for $48? Who am I kidding? Who do I think I am? I was like, I'm not buying this. So then I went home, and a few days later, I was like, okay, just buy it online. You know, there's something about buying things online that just makes you feel a little bit better, you know? So I closed my eyes and I bought it. I was like, oh no, I bought it. And I even shared it with you babes on Instagram as well. I can't believe I bought it. And then I showed my sister. And she was so shocked. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It's so freaking small. And this was $48 Australian dollars. This is so small. Like, this is one of those pellets I just showed you. I mean, can you ask me why I bought this? Anyway, I picked up the Electric Obsessions one, and it's the one that has like bright colors. Okay, this better be good. I intentionally picked up bright colors because I want to challenge myself to keep doing bright colors, and anything that has yellow in it, I've been going for it lately. Oh my lord. Okay, all right. I swatched the yellow shade today and I was very disappointed, so I hope that's not disappointing. So would you guys like to see a dedicated video about this or with this palette? I don't even know if I want to call it a palette, with this thing. With this tiny little thing. I hope it's worth it, or else I will scream. Another thing that I spent $36 on is this. This is the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint. That kind of hurts my forehead and my eyes. No joke. I felt a little bit of a, you know, what was that? Anyway, this is in the shade Uncensored. You know, you guys have seen this. You've seen this everywhere. I actually bought these things like 3 weeks ago or 4 last month. Oh my god, I bought them last month and I haven't used it yet. But yeah, it's cute, it's pretty, it better be worth it. It's pretty. The applicator is interesting, very interesting. So I think I'll feature it in a first impression video. Now let's go into Target US. Okay, saving the best for last. This is my Target box. I can't believe I have a Target US box. Interesting. It's the same as the Target in Australia here anyway, but the difference is this one has US written on it somewhere. I'm gonna cherish that forever. For those who do know that I am based in Australia, yes, you're right. Target US does not post or doesn't ship to Australia because we have our own Target here, so they don't ship to Australia. Okay, don't worry, they haven't changed the law. I wish they did, but anyway. So the way I could get these things, you know, the things I bought from Target, was by, you know, buying the things and shipping it to my friend in the US and getting him to post it to me. So that's how I got these things. Okay, I only bought Maybelline products on Target, so yeah. And I went in with the mind or with the thought of, or with the plan or intuition or whatever. With the intention, that's what I'm trying to look for, with the intention of doing a full face of makeup using Maybelline products. Now, I've been planning that video idea since last year, beginning of last year. And because like I couldn't really find a powder that's for my skin tone, it just kept, you know, that fact kept holding me back. Okay, and lo and behold, Maybelline came out with the Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and I picked that up, and I'll share that with you in a moment. Okay, so the first Maybelline product is this Maybelline City Mini palette. I wanted to buy the Makeup Shayla one, but I guess it's no longer available. But anyway, so I bought this on Target US. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's sealed, so, and I can't be bothered checking it out. Have you tried these City Mini palettes before? I don't know. The fact that I already tried this Lemonade Craze and I'm not really like all that crazy about it, I'm nervous about this one. I'm really nervous about it. So we're gonna see in a first impression video. Okay, so the next product that I bought, which I'm really excited about, my mouth looks ugly, but y'all don't care. Okay, I picked up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. First of all, they only just came out with the deeper shades, okay? And I'm very thrilled, okay? I've always heard about this, all right? And second of all, the fact that I could get my hands on it, I just feel so good. I feel so good. I am so sorry, and I apologize to, you know, other Australians, you know, watching my channel and wishing they could pick this up. I'm sorry, Target doesn't ship to Australia. I just had to buy this, you know, and I wish I could pick up more, but I just don't have the capital to do so, you know what I mean? So I hope you'll be able to get your hands on this. Now, I haven't tried it yet, so I don't even know if it's all that good. So yeah, but yeah, I picked up the shade Hazelnut and Tan. I'm excited. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Hey, I know. I went to, now last but not the least, actually last and final thing that I purchased from Target website, and you know, last and final haul item that I'm going to share with you guys in today's video is the Maybelline the Maybelline loose finishing powder. You guys have been telling me about these. I can't find it anywhere in Australia. It's not in Australia whatsoever. It's nowhere here. Not at all. I don't even think the lighter shades are here yet. And by the time they get here, they're not going to include these. I hope they do. Let me know, but negative, but don't get me started on the whole shade thing here in Australia, because I get emotional. Literally, I start tearing up because I'm so angry that I can't express myself. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, anyway. So I picked up the shade 30 as well as the shade 40, and I can't wait to do it. First impression on these, I do plan on doing a full face of makeup with a Maybelline product. So I will do that soon, okay? Soon. So maybe I'll do a first impression first and then really gather all my Maybelline products, you know, and then do it. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. All right, so I think that's all that I bought. All right, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Aaliyah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm doing shout out notification from today, okay? Shout out to you, Aaliyah, you know, for just reading my mind. You all read my mind, but I just found your comment a bit spooky because it came at the perfect time, you know? Anyway, shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you guys, and thank you for constantly, you know, just sending me messages on Instagram and Twitter, and you know, I really love you guys. Okay, thank you. And I can't wait to start filming with all these products, and I can't wait to go to the US someday and just buy everything that I need to share with y'all. Okay, now if you're interested in seeing the first impression on this Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette, it should be up already, or it's gonna go up after this video, because I'm gonna upload this video straight after the Maybelline Lemonade, or the Maybelline Lemonade straight after this one. Yeah, we're gonna see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Okay, comment down below, let me know which of these products you already own, and tell me what I should look forward to. Okay, I don't know, or which of these products you would like to try out. Okay, thank you so much for watching, babes. As I mentioned earlier, as always, whatever you're doing, to love yourself, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye bye.
Take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so just pray for me.